case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1979, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Jones v. Wolfe, which revolved around a dispute over church property between the Vineville Presbyterian Church in Macon, Georgia, and the Presbyterian Church in the United States, PCUS. The disagreement centered on whether the courts could use a secular approach called neutral principles of law to resolve the issue, or if they had to defer to the hierarchical rules of the wider church organization. The local Vineville congregation had acquired the church property in question through the contributions of their members. However, as a part of the PCUS, which has a hierarchical structure, there were questions over the true ownership and control of this property. At the center of the legal battle was whether a secular and flexible approach to resolving these disputes, called neutral principles of law, could be used by civil courts without interfering in religious doctrine or practice. Initially, the Georgia Supreme Court ruled in favor of the local congregation, utilizing the neutral principles of law method. However, the case was then taken to the Supreme Court of the United States for review. Ultimately, the court held that the decision of the Georgia Supreme Court was unconstitutional and ordered it to be vacated. The Supreme Court determined that civil courts must defer to ecclesiastical bodies when it comes to doctrinal issues, provided that the resolution of ownership does not involve tackling religious controversies. In this case, if Georgia law required the identification of a particular faction representing the Vineville Church, the courts needed to defer to the Presbyterial Commission's determination of that faction. The decision thus highlighted the importance of maintaining a balance between secular legal processes and respecting the autonomy of religious institutions when resolving disputes over church property.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.